So I've been to 10 U-Haul locations around the whole city. 2 counties I've been searching. And I needed a plug to fit a Buick, but they sell 50 plugs to fit 50 different makes and models. And all I needed was like the 4 wires lined up on one end instead of 4 spaced out like that. And no one sold. They don't keep them in stock. You got to go to the internet. I drove around with the 10 different U-Hauls. I went to freaking Tractor Supply store. I went everywhere. Nobody's got anything. Auto parts stores. So I decided to use the tool invented by Homo Habilus. Homo Habilus was 4 feet tall. That's a foot taller than Australopithecus. Its brain was twice as big as Australopithecus. And what was their invention? Homo Habilus has something that's like Latin or Greek for tool, I think. Habilus. What was their invention? The hammer. As you can see, you can turn this into this with the oldest tool ever made. Trump says, wheels and walls, they never go out of style. Well, guess what doesn't go out of style after like 2 million years? Hammers. Boom. Done. I was driving all over town looking for the right thing, and all I had to do, I wasted 3 freaking days. Saturday, Sunday, and a couple hours here on freaking Wednesday, and done. Seconds.